Hello, good morning children, and today's the topic is as a light. So this is chapter number 10 of class 10 NCERT book, and today I am going to teach you about the new lesson light. So first of all, say what's light? Light is a form of energy which causes the sensation of vision. Okay, light is a form of energy which causes the sensation of vision. For example, people say that I can able to see the light, but do people exactly can able to see the light? No. For example, say I am catching a chalk piece, the chalk piece. So when light casts on the chalk piece and reflects from the surface of chalk piece and enters into my eye, falls on the retina, then this particular object is visualizing to me. But if the same chalk piece I will be catching in a dark room, then I cannot able to see the chalk piece. So what I am exactly seeing is, I am exactly seeing the chalk piece but not the light. And similarly, for example, I am catching this bottle. This bottle is visible and the color of the bottle is red. Okay, and this is what happening. Again, light falls on this particular object and reflects. A light reflects from the body of the bottle, enters to my eye, and then I can visualize this one as red in color. Similarly, I can take, say for example, I can take looks green in color. Again, light visualizes. So when light is falling on specific bodies, then the body may be visible to me like white in color, or sometimes red in color, and sometimes green in color. Like this, the wide varieties of colors that we exactly see in our surrounding. So from this, the question appears: when light falls, why such different colors are coming? So it is Newton. He found that the light is composed of 7 different constituents. Total 7 different colors are composed together and to form the white light. And these 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So let me write, this is white light. White light is a combination of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So this chalk piece, it looks white in color. Why? Because when light falls on this body, the total light is reflecting back to me, and that's why the total 7 colors, all 7 colors are reflecting back to my eye. I can visualize this one as white in color. Similarly, black bodies, when light falls on black body, the body absorbs all these 7 constituents and doesn't reflect anything, hence it looks black in color. But so far other colors are concerned. For example, I take a bottle that looks red in color. What's happening? Here when light is casting violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, it has this body is having some pigments, and the pigments property that it is absorbing violet, it is absorbing indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange, but red it is unable to absorb. It is reflecting back me red. All the 7 colors are casting on that, but red it is reflecting. So as red enters to my eye, I can visualize this bottle as red in color. Similarly, you will be asked sometime question, why grass appears green in color? That is because on the grass it has some pigment. The pigment cannot able to absorb green. It can absorb all these 6 colors except green. Green it reflects back. That's why the grass appears green in color. Similarly, you can say blue, the body which looks blue in color, it is absorbing all colors except blue. So when you are casting all the 7 colors, all the colors are absorbed with a blue body and only blue color bounces back. That's why the body looks blue in color. So here in this contrast of pigment and color, you may be confusing what is pigment, what is color. You should know one is pigment and the other one is color. Pigment and color. See, for example, this body, we generally say that what is the color of the bottle? we say color of the bottle is red, but this is in our general terms, we say it is the color is red, but scientifically through science, through physics, when you speak, you can say that the pigment of the bottle is red. It is not color, it is called pigment. So you need to clarify to know what is pigment and what is color. If this particular bottle, if I show you in dark where there is no light, you cannot able to visualize, and you say what are you holding and are you showing me anything, because it is dark, you cannot see anything. But suppose this is a bulb and I will glow it, and the bulb is glowing red in color, you say yes, the bottle is red in color or the bulb is red in color. So what the color is? Color is a luminous body which has light of its own, and pigment is a non-luminous body which has no light of its own. So grass is pigment, and you can say the paint or this board, green color board is pigment, but the light which is red color light and blue light, orange light, they are actually called colors, because even if dark, the bulbs when shown blue color bulb, that gives blue light. In dark, a red color bulb when glows, it gives red light. In dark, if a yellow color bulb glows, it gives yellow light. So that is where even in dark environment which is illuminating, they are called colors. But whenever white light falls on body, and after falling, after incident of all the white lights, which particular color is visible, that is what called the pigment. So students, you need to know the difference between pigment and color. Color is a luminous body and pigment is a non-luminous body.